I'm William with GEA of Texas, and this is our Phoenix Contact Empro logging software. The Empro is Phoenix Contact's energy monitoring device. It comes in multiple form factors and supports either Rogowski coils or conventional current transformers, depending on the model. It also includes up to 3 current and voltage monitoring inputs, making it great for single-phase and 3-phase applications. The Empro is a fantastic tool for monitoring power, but one thing it does not provide out of the box is high-frequency, precise data logging. To solve this problem, we developed the Empro Logger, a program that pulls the Empro at a user-defined rate and writes those measurements into an easy-to-read spreadsheet. To run this software, you need 2 components, the Empro and a computer that can be networked with the Empro and run the logging software. In this case, we are using the Phoenix Contact VO3 UPC 1320, which is a powerful IPC with a small form factor. At GEA of Texas, we have created a complete kit that includes everything you need. Now that I have connected to my IPC using Windows Remote Desktop, let's see how the software works. When you first open the program, it comes pre-filled with the Empro's default settings. You simply enter the Empro's IP address and choose the endpoint you want to read from. Next, you select the directory where the write-only logs will be stored. Then, you choose a separate directory for your backup logs, which is where you could view the measurements without interfering with the logging process. The poll rate defaults to 1 second, but you could go as fast as 400 milliseconds, which is roughly the fastest update rate available through the REST API. You could also set how often you want backup files to be created. Once those settings are in place, you could press Populate Fields to verify communication with the Empro and automatically pull all the available fields from the selected endpoint. If you enable Automatically Start Logging on program launch, the software will begin logging as soon as the program opens. If you pair this with Windows Task Scheduler, you can make the logger restart automatically after a power failure or unexpected reboot without human intervention. Finally, press Start Logging to begin collecting measurements. Now, I'm going to apply a load to the Empro using a heat gun so we could capture the current spike in the log. Now that we've measured a load using the Empro, let's open our backup folder and take a look at today's log file. We are looking at column I1, which represents current input 1. Here, you could clearly see the increase in amperage on current input 1 when the heat gun was turned on, and you could see it ramp down when the heat gun is turned off. And that's the Empro Logger by GEA of Texas, a simple, reliable way to get high-frequency, real-time power data out of your Empro device.